Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm so happy to see you here because today we're going to do something fun and practical. Practice speaking English together. In this video, we're going to focus on daily conversation phrases that you can use in your everyday life. I will say a phrase and then I want you to repeat it after me. But it won't just be me speaking. You'll be answering questions, making sentences, and practicing real time English. Yes, because always remember, practice makes perfect. And today is all about you speaking out loud. So don't just listen, speak along with me. I'll help you build your fluency by focusing on commonly used phrases, questions, and answers. Ready? Let's get started. And if you haven't already, don't forget to subscribe and give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed. Let's dive in. Before we jump into the phrases, let's warm up our mouths and brain to get ready for speaking. I'm going to say a sentence slowly. After each sentence, repeat it aloud. Let's make sure your English muscles are ready. Okay, let's start. Number one. I'm really glad you're here today. Repeat after me. I'm really glad you're here today. Very good. And feel free to add some excitement to your voice. It helps with natural sounding speech. Okay? All right. Number two. It's a perfect day to practice English. Now repeat after me. It's a perfect day to practice English. Make it sound like you are greeting a friend. Say it with a smile. Sentence number three. I can't wait to get started with you. Repeat after me. I can't wait to get started with you. Very good. How would you say that to a friend? Would you use an excited tone? Try to make it sound natural, okay? Great. Now that we're warmed up, we're ready to dive into some common conversation phrases. Let's practice some everyday phrases. These are the phrases you'll use in real life situations, like talking to a friend, ordering food, or asking for help. Okay, let's start with greetings, okay? And a big smile. Number one. Good morning. How are you today? Repeat after me. Good morning. How are you today? Very good. Now, can you answer? How would you respond if someone asked you, how are you today? So try saying, I'm good, thanks. I'm doing well. How about you? Repeat after me. I'm good, thanks. Very good. I'm doing well. How about you? Excellent. Number two. Hello, it's nice to see you. Say it with me. Hello, it's nice to see you. Very good. If you met someone you know after a long time, how would you greet them? Try to answer out loud, okay? Greetings number three. Hi, how's everything going? Repeat after me. Hi, how's everything going? Very good. Can you reply to this? You can say, everything's going well, thanks. Or, I'm doing all right. How about you? Repeat after me. Everything's going well, thanks. Very good. I'm doing all right. How about you? Excellent. Okay. Next is asking for help. How are you going to ask for help? These are polite and friendly ways to ask for something in English. We'll practice both formal and informal ways to request help. Let's start with the first one. Could you please help me with this? Repeat after me. Could you please help me with this? Very good. Can you ask the same question but for a different situation? For example, could you help me find my keys? Very good. Or, Could you help me carry this bag? Excellent. Let's go to next one. I'm lost. Can you tell me how to get to the nearest station? Repeat after me. I'm lost. Can you tell me how to get to the nearest station? Very good. Let's change the destination. You could ask, can you tell me how to get to the hospital? Right. Or, how do I get to the bookstore? So, repeat after me. Can you tell me how to get to the hospital? Very good. How do I get to the bookstore? Very good. Okay, next. I don't understand. Could you explain that again? Repeat after me. I don't understand. Could you explain that again? Excellent. If someone explains something to you and you didn't catch it, this is a polite way to ask them to repeat. Next, let's practice ordering food and drinks. These are phrases you'll use when you're in a restaurant or cafe. Let's start with the first one. I'd like a cup of coffee, please. Repeat after me. I'd like a cup of coffee, please. Very good. So try ordering something else. What would you order if you wanted a sandwich? Right. Try saying, I'd like a turkey sandwich, please. Repeat after me. I'd like a turkey sandwich, please. Could I get the bill, please? Repeat after me. Could I get the bill, please? Very good. How would you ask for the bill in a cafe or restaurant? You can also say, can I pay now? Or could I get the check? Very good. Okay, next. I will have the soup of the day, please. Repeat after me. I'll have the soup of the day, please. Very good. So if you were ordering a salad, how would you say it? Try it. I'll have the Caesar salad, please. Very good. Let's talk about the weather. These phrases will help you make small talk or describe the weather around you. Let's start. Okay. It's such a beautiful sunny day. Repeat after me. It's such a beautiful sunny day. Very good. How would you describe the weather if it were cloudy or rainy? Try saying like this. Repeat after me. It's a bit cloudy today. Very good. Or it's raining outside. Yeah, it's raining outside. It looks like it's going to rain soon. Repeat after me. It looks like it's going to rain soon. Very good. Try describing another weather condition. You could say, it's really windy today, or the sun is shining brightly. Repeat after me. It's really windy today. Good. The sun is shining brightly. Very good. Next, it's so hot today, isn't it? Repeat after me. It's so hot today, isn't it? Yeah, good. If it were cold, how could you say? You could say, it's freezing outside. Or, it's really chilly outside. Chilly. It's also for very, very cold. It's really chilly today. Let's practice making plans with friends. These are helpful phrases when you want to meet up or hang out. Let's ask the question. What are you doing this weekend? Repeat after me. What are you doing this weekend? Good. How would you answer this? You could say, I'm going to the movies. I'm visiting my family. Try answering aloud. Okay, next question. Let's meet for lunch tomorrow. How does 1 p.m. sound? Repeat after me. Let's meet for lunch tomorrow. How does 1 p.m. sound? Very good. What if you wanted to suggest a different time? Try saying, how about 2 p.m. instead? How about 2 p.m. instead? Very good. I'm free on Saturday. How about you? Repeat after me. I'm free on Saturday. How about you? Very good. How would you suggest a different day? You could say, I'm free on Sunday, or I'm available in the afternoon. Good job. All right. Now let's work on pronunciation. I'll say a few sentences slowly, first slowly, and then normal speed. Okay. After I say each one, you will repeat it with me. Pay close attention to how I pronounce the words and try to copy my rhythm and tone. All right. So first slow, then normal speed. All right. Okay. She loves reading books at night. Normal speed. She loves reading books at night. Excellent. Can you say that with a little more emotions? More, try to make it sound natural. I always drink coffee in the morning. Repeat after me. I always drink coffee in the morning. Very good. Practice repeating it until it sounds smooth, okay? First, say it slowly and then gradually faster, okay? We're planning a trip to the beach next weekend. Repeat after me. We're planning a trip to the beach next weekend. Very, very good. Now let's add some excitement. Imagine you are telling a friend about your beach trip. How would you say it with enthusiasm? We're planning a trip to the beach next weekend. I can't wait. Very, very, very good. I knew you can do it. You've done a great job today practicing these phrases. Remember, repetition is key to improving your speaking skill. The more you practice, the easier it becomes to speak English fluently in real life situations. So, before we finish, here's a quick reminder: speak aloud as much as you can. Even if you're alone, practice speaking English every day. The more you use the language, the more natural it will feel. Listen to English content, whether it's podcast, YouTube videos, or even TV shows. Listening helps you understand the natural flow of conversations. So try to use new phrases in your daily life. Practice doesn't end here. Keep using these phrases when talking to friends or family members in English. Remember, consistency is important to try to practice every day, even if it's just for a few minutes. And you are on your way to becoming more fluent. Thanks so much for joining me in this interactive speaking practice today. I hope you found it helpful and fun. If you did, make sure to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more content like this. Also, if you want to keep practicing, I'll be posting new videos every week, so you can keep improving your English and build your speaking skills over time. If you have any questions or would like me to cover specific topics in future videos, leave a comment below. I love reading your suggestions and feedback. And don't forget to share this video with your friends if you think you would find it helpful too. Let's keep growing together. Until next time, keep practicing and keep speaking English with confidence. Take care. But if you have any suggestions, feedback with this video, you can write in the comment box, okay? I read all the comments. So don't forget to leave a comment below, okay? Thank you so much for watching my video, and I will see you in the next video, okay? Bye-bye. Take care.